Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we are going to draw Orange Kitten from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First we're going to draw two round eyes, very close to each other. Inside the eyes, we're going to draw two light reflections and we're going to color the eyes in. Right above the eye, two eyebrows. Just draw the bottom lines first and then you can make it nice and round on top. And right below the eyes, we're going to draw a curve upwards, that's for the nose. And then we're just going to make a little point at the bottom, like a piece of cheese. Just make a little dot. And now we're going to make a nice curvy line for the top lip. And we'll do the same on the other side. And from this curvy line, you're going to draw whiskers. You can just draw two lines for your whiskers. On this side, I'm just going to start with the outside. I'm just going to bring it in to the inside, outside, and I'm going to bring it back in again. So I tried to make it roughly about the same shape. And now I'm going to draw the whiskers a bit thicker. There's one. Don't worry about the line that it crosses off the mouth. You're going to color the whiskers in. We're going to make it black. Here we go. And let's color the whiskers in. Next, I'm going to draw a little mouth underneath a chin. And now it's time to draw a nice round head. I'm going to start here on top. And I'm just going to draw a nice round line. You're going to try to draw a circle. Just going to stop there and I'm just going to continue there to there, connect it. And now a few stripes. Just going to draw a little stripe here on top. Then on the side I'm just going to draw another one and I'm going to copy this one over to the other side as well. There we go. Then it's time for the ears. So two pointy ears is one, and I'll do another pointy ear on this side as well. And just the inside of the ear as well. There we go. And we'll do the same on this side as well. There. Good. Next we're going to draw a nice round body. I'm just going to make two lines for me to indicate where I'm going to start and stop. And I'm going to try to make it round. Not perfectly round, just a nice fat body. And then we're just going to draw a little circle here on the inside as well. And now it's time for the arms. Start on this side. And I'm just going to draw a little paw. With two fingers, three fingers actually. Draw another arm and the paw. 1, 2. There we go. And now for the legs. Just bring in the middle a straight line down, and then from this side you're just going to continue, make it nice and round. There's one toe, there's another toe, and the third toe, and then I'm just going to bring it back to the body. Let's do the same on this side as well. Straight line back. 1, 2, 3, and let's connect it to the body as well. And now here on the side we're going to draw a little bushy tail. Make it nice and thick. There we go. And then from here I can actually just draw a few lines, because it's going to be stripes on our kitten. And there's Orange Kitten. So now look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your kitten will look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.